If you want to enable edge lighting on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Notifications. Now under the Notification settings, just tap on Notification Pop-up Style. Now from here, just tap on Add Lighting Effect. Now from here, just select the edge lighting effect which you want to see when you receive a notification. Now after you select your preferred style, then tap on Color. Now as you can see, it is currently on Auto, but you can tap on Color and you can select any color from the available over here. Or you can select any custom color from here. Then tap on Done. Now after that, just tap on Advanced, and from here you can increase or decrease the transparency of the edge lighting. Just like that. And also you can increase the duration of the edge lighting. Now after you customize the edge lighting as you like, just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can enable edge lighting on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.